Hello, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about the .com secrets. So, first of all, what is the .com secrets? The .com secrets is not just another how-to book on the internet marketing. It is not about getting more traffic to your website, yet these secrets will help you get more traffic than you ever experienced before. It is not about increasing your conversions, yet these secrets will increase your conversions more than any headline, tweak or split test ever could. The .com secrets shortcut. Low traffic or conversions are symptoms of a much greater problem that's a little harder to see. That's a brief description. What I think of the book so far, I read probably 2 pages of it, and he talks about the beginning of his life, how he got into the .com secrets and how he set it up and everything. And it is a very interesting book. And I'll read you an introduction. It starts by saying, "My junk mail addiction began when I was 12 years old. I remember the exact night my obsession with junk mail and direct response marketing started. My dad was up late watching TV while working on a project. Normally, he made me go to bed early, but that night he let me stay up late and watch TV with him. I wasn't as interested in the news as I was in spending time with my dad. When the news ended, I was waiting for him to send me to bed, but he didn't, so I started watching what came on next. It was one of those late night infomercials. This particular infomercial featured a guy named Don Lapra, who was explaining how to make money with teeny little classified ads. I am not sure why he grabbed my attention, maybe because I was so young. I didn't understand that making money fast wasn't possible. Maybe my fascination grew because he was so charismatic. Whatever the reason, as soon as he started talking, I was hooked." So he goes in explaining about when he was young and how he got into the .com business. And he was basically just collecting all his junk mail and learning how to do marketing and everything. My review on it, it's a very good book. I'm reading it over and over again because it takes me a while to get the gist of it. And he just discusses about the entrepreneur, also the value ladder for chiropractors. It gives you a brief diagram of that, but you have to have the book. So if you're interested in the book, click the link below and you have to pay for the shipping cost, and then you'll get the book for free in the post. It takes up to 10 to 14 days, working days, before you actually get it. So that's it from me. I'd like to say thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button below and hit that notification button to the left, where you then will get regular updates of videos from me. Once again, Thanks for watching.